The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Snappy day all. Hi, I'm Samran and this is Anantalakshmi. Hope you all enjoyed our previous videos.
Yeah, so today we have come up with a beautiful matter
which is informative,
interesting
and entertaining at the same time. So I think our viewers just loved our previous videos.
Yeah.
So today we have a surprise for each and every one of you. I think that they will be very curious to know our surprise. So today a great personality is joining us for our interactive section. It's such a great honor and privilege for us.
Yeah, I think we must give a clue for our viewers so that they can assess.
Of course, you need to guess who is that great personality and I'm sure that you will be guessing it. Right. So can we give a hint?
He's our snappy captain or our snappy leader.
Yes, he's the source of our energy.
Yeah, and he's the person who navigates us with his snappy concept.
He's a powerful dreamer and his dreams made our school to be implemented as a different one.
Yeah, he always dared to be different.
Yes. Hope you all have guessed the name.
Yeah.
So
I think without speaking too much, we can go there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is our surprise. Here we have our honorable principal, Dr. Vijayan V. Anand sir, to have an interesting interactive session with us. Namaste sir.
Namaste.
Learning through virtual platform is a novel way for each one of us. So how do you rate this new kind of learning?
Yeah, in this situation, actually, it is the only solution. We don't have any other solution. So, definitely, we have to move with this. And children are also following this. I think that when all over the world, this pandemic is, it has taken away the entire human being into a vicious circle. So, in this situation we have only one option. So naturally virtual classes will be useful. How do you feel?
Well, I think that virtual classes are really good and I agree to that statement. But still that doesn't give the same feel that we get from our usual classes.
Of course, what you said is correct, but we have to understand the situation. Obviously, we can say that classroom, school, a direct interaction, all those things are really missing, no doubt at all. But when we consider all the situation which is prevailing now, the scenario, we have to address it. So this is the only solution. So we'll go with this.
I personally believe that for good ideas and true innovation, you need human interaction, conflict, argument, and debate. And now we go with this virtual learning. So, can this be effective in case of interaction?
Beautiful question. In between, I heard conflict. What does it mean? Conflict means?
It's an argument or debate.
Or debate. Okay. When it is in the classroom, these things will happen. And when it is in the virtual class, how come it will happen? It won't.
We missed
So-
that all right. So, how can that be developed?
See, actually, this sociability is an ability which all these human beings should gather from the school. The children learn from all those these things from school only. They get lot of opportunity with to interact with teachers, friends, elders, and these things give them unknowingly lot of lessons or experience which is useful in their day to day life. So they are missing it. That is what the previous question what I said, no? What to do?
Situation.
This is a situation where we have to
Since
face.
the pandemic came, we need to suffer. So the next question is, our examinations were conducted by your SMAPI teachers through video call. So how was the response of children towards this new way of examinations? Are teachers happy with their performance? Do you think whether all children performed up to their level?
Yeah, you want to know whether children are studying at home or not, how far they are following these virtual videos. See, what I understood is they are almost 99% of children are following that. Only rare children, they are not in the track. But to my astonishment, what I understood is children, those who were earlier that so called they are unable to study, they find difficult to understand, those category people, if it is like 100 children are there in a school who require special care,
Some care seekers like that, did you mean, sir?
we can't call them as caretakers because they are hard workers. They basically they have an intention to study, but they are unable. So they by their birth or due to some situation, they lack in their intellect level. So special care and support is required from the side of teachers as well as parents. Those category people, almost if it is as I said, no, 100% students, among them like 95 above students are really amazing performance they are doing. They are really rocking. Teachers were really stunned by seeing the performance of these kind of children.
Very glad to hear.
Yeah. So now you may be having a doubt, how come this is happening? Because see, basically if a child is sitting in the class and already he has stamped as a poor child or weak child, what will happen? The child will not open up. In the class he may have doubt. So what others will think? See, I will be an odd one if
Like an inferiority complex.
yes, due to these things they will not come out. They will sit and just nod the head. Yes,
They'll keep their doubts within themselves.
yes. Everybody is doing the same thing. So I think that what all understood. I am the one person.
I didn't understand whether I will be inferior.
Sure. That I am not so intelligent or I am a backward child. Everybody will come to know. So I am not in a position to disclose that. So what will happen? I will sit by nodding the head. I understood. I all understood. Yes, understood. But they are not understanding. Due to this problem, the child will not open up in the class. But now the situation is different. They get this virtual video and they can see n number of times, they can repeatedly see that.
Yes, of course.
So they understand. A genuine student who is very much interested to develop, these people will be successful, no doubt. That is the reason, as I said, no, the children who like were requiring some external support, those category has come up. It is really, I felt very happy in that angle. I am really happy with that.
10th and plus 2 students are gonna appear in their board exams. So is this type of video conference exam or virtual exams effective on them? Even parents have a great anxiety on that. So how can that be clear? This type of exams, are they effective on those type of children?
So your question, there itself some anxiety is there, and what actually you want to know that whether these exams will be conducted through online. Is it, that is the question?
No, sir.
Then
Is it effective on the students who are going to write their board exam?
yeah, you see, by attending,
Much preparation than the others. So is it effective or not?
yeah, definitely it won't be so effective, because children must come to school, teachers must explain them everything, and direct face-to-face interaction and understanding from their friends. These are all not happening. Children are sitting at home And if they directly go to this public examination, I'm damn sure that children won't get this much percentage. Even if a video is posted and children are attending that, I don't think that it will be an effective class for the child to appear for examination. Examination means there will be the child has to undergo various question papers, various doubt clearing process.
Combined study.
Everything, combined study, group study, everything is there. These are all not possible means 100% it won't be effective. So children can write examination, because if it is the same situation, see what may happen tomorrow. Sometimes if it is continue like that, if it is like all over the world, this pandemic is much more effective, naturally child must write examination on online. The teachers will be providing questions, everything on online, and children will study at home. And we have to move with this corona. We cannot stand still.
Sir, I'm sure that you will have communication with most of our SMAPI parents, right? So most of the parents are going through financial instability nowadays during this pandemic. So how are parents responding, or what is their approach towards fee collection at this time? Is fee collection getting a burden to them?
Really, parents are facing economic crisis all over the world.
Income loss and job loss.
Yes, their income has been reduced, some lost job, and children are at home, and these kind of tensions definitely affect parents. And parents are, they may also think, why my child has not gone to school, then why should I pay fees? It's a normal question. Anybody can think like that. But if there are certain schools, they take lot of effort. Like here in our school, teachers are all coming to school. They take videos. They themselves record, and they edit, and they post videos in the YouTube. And evening they check whether children have gone through that, and they ask homeworks to be done, and that homeworks they will send through WhatsApp. This has to be checked and sent to the yes, again exams conducting, and we inform parents also, and parents are also connected with these things, and they are also contacting teachers, and these works teachers are doing this hard work. Normally if a teacher is working for 8 hours, means now they are working for 12 hours. They go home up to 10 o'clock, they are expecting calls from children. So children are calling, and they are posting their this one record, homework, everything. So it is very obvious that the work is much more than the previous this one. But these parents are facing serious issue in connection with their on monetary side. They are not in a position to remit fees. So the school is not so adamant that you have to pay fees within this day. That is, there is no such restrictions. Parents are not paying means we won't give class. Nothing. In Gurukulam we are not practicing such things. We are with parents. Those parents who have come here and said they have some issues, they can't pay fees this time, so we require some more time. Some parents have said they are not in a position to pay fees for this academic year. So that also taking into consideration, we understood that it is correct, genuine. So naturally we are not collecting from those parents. So it is you all being students, you know that what is happening at your home. You are also coming from a family, so you know that there is a alarming situation in case of finance. So we have to survive. So see, in the previous video I have very clearly mentioned that we have to understand the situation, and we have to spend accordingly. Which is very important, that we have to spend. Which is less important, we have to avoid that, and we have to fulfill it later on. And which we have to avoid 100% we have to avoid it. So this is the only solution to survive from this situation. This is not like it won't last forever, but it teaches many things, isn't it?
Yes.
Sir. Now, children are too much intent into social media, not only for this educational purpose but also for entertainment purpose. I feel like it's not good for mental as well as physical health.
And social health too.
Yeah. So, sir, will it end up in a big issue?
100% it is going to end up in a big issue if we are not taking these things into consideration, because now children are all handling these gadgets and they spend much of the time in this phone, and they lose, as you said, they lose their health, their sociability, because they are all into the phone. They are not watching the surroundings, they are not getting opportunity for that. So this, when once the school reopens, child find very difficult to come and sit in the class, because they are used to some, for the last 5 to 6 months they are into the phone, and now all of a sudden if the school is insisting them, don't use phone, don't go through Facebook, or don't use Instagram, WhatsApp, social media. So naturally it becomes a big issue for a child to face this situation. And now in this situation, I would suggest, or I would advise, is an information for the parents that let them use phone, even if they play, let them play, but there must be a timetable, there must be time limit, that this much time the child can use. After that the child must play in some other activities, physical activities they have to involve. Child is sitting late night and won't wake up for up to 11, 12. These are all breaking their sleep cycle. It will break and it will create big physical, mental issues. All over the world, as it is said, one among the four is having mental illness. So before Corona, and now you just think that what would have happened. I think among 4, 3 will be mental sick. Now parents, when they come and interact with me, they are saying that my child has lot of emotional instability, he gets angry.
Have pent up emotions within them because they're stuck in home.
So children, they are inside home, they are held up and they experience bad time. See, once when we realize that this is a bad time and we are held up, there is no other option to come out, we have to plan, because future is our, we have to decide what to do. So we have to be very systematic. You have to go to bed on time, you have to wake up on time.
Take care of health.
Yes. Now how many of you are seeing sun? Because from sun rays we get vitamin D. If somebody is not getting vitamin D, they will have a lot of physical problem. Morning when you wake up, you feel very drowsy, you won't feel energetic.
So in the same way, evening sunlight also provides vitamin D, right? So nowadays children are not able to even go to playground to play.
That's what. Children are unable to go out. If you see, we can come with lot of excuses, but for us, our future, we have to plan, then we have to do accordingly, we have to move accordingly.
Because for every purposes they are using this mobile phones. So this will end up in a big issue, because mobile phones are actually harmful. Not like everything is having an advantage and disadvantage.
Yes.
So when we look at the disadvantage, it is actually harmful for our health. So that's what I was asking.
Yeah, that is what. Then if you understand there is disadvantage and advantage, we take advantage and we will not look into the disadvantage. So we must have, see, when we use and abuse of drugs, When we use drugs in good sense, it's good. When it is used in for intoxication or some other thing, it will end up in trouble, isn't it? Likewise, mobile phone, especially in this scenario, in this situation, can use, but we must know how to handle it. Otherwise, you people will end up in trouble.
So the next question is, sir, did you find any benefits that children can acquire through online class which they cannot acquire from their normal way of learning or from normal usual class?
Yeah, this is what last question I said, no, like that those children who were not having that much confidence, and those children who have some sort of learning disabilities and even some sort of inferiorities, all these category people, when they listen at home, when they watch this video, they will be definitely benefited. So I have said to teachers to continue with these videos even after this corona, even children coming to school, normal school days, the teacher must post a video, a gist of a chapter, a summary of a chapter. As usual, what they are doing now, they will go and they will record this summary of a lesson, which around 30 minutes, one chapter fully the teacher can do and post it in our.
That is a great news for those children.
If it is examination is nearing, child want to clear some doubt, the child can go through this. Child need not find the time of the teacher. Teacher may be busy, or sometimes teacher may be on leave. Yes. So this is the recorded things are there. So he or she can. So these things will be continuing. Teachers now, they are well equipped in handling these things. Earlier it was a task for them. They find very difficult in fact.
It was an unfamiliar one for them, but nowadays it is not unfamiliar for them.
Now they become used to that. They are now very confidently doing. So these are also, when a situation demands, we have to emerge into it. That is what resilient power. Resilience must be there for an individual. So the teachers have gained that, and they are doing that beautifully.
They become technical
You have seen them. You are watching videos.
Yes. Like each video will have a different way. Like compared to the previous
even
video,
teachers
they will
are
have something new one. Yeah.
Even teachers know the situation and they are taking classes accordingly. Like from the students of the higher, like above average to below average can understand that classes. That is the major advantage that I found, because that much clearly teachers
Of course, everyone can understand and everyone will be able to go with it.
Sir, one of the major issue is faced with our plus 2 students, as it is the last year in their school life. They really have anxiety on about this. So sir, any advice or words for them so that they can get a relief?
I do feel that, because children, those who are in the last year, of course, the rest of the children all have this same issue, but children who are just passing out, this is the last year, for them they may have lot of ideas. They want to do this, during this sports day we will come like this, during this arts day we will plan like that. Many colorful occasions they are missing. Onam celebration, these are all days which lost forever.
I'm remembering, sir, on International Yoga Day and on International Music
World
Day,
Music
they
Day
were
and all.
organizing programs for everyone. It was really memorable.
So, see, even if they are held up, they are coming with lot of ideas. At home they are doing but this is a great loss in their life. No doubt. They will really miss these days. And as you said, no, how can I console them? How can I console? I can't tell them tomorrow, like next year also you can study in the same class. How can I say that? But days missed today is missed forever. But what they can do is, let them all pray to Almighty to come back to the normal situation, and let them have the opportunity to come to school and enjoy their days, and also utilize the time meaningfully, By see, some people used to say that no school, no, I used to wake up at 10 o'clock. These kind of activities and all they can stop. They wake up at time, they can contact teachers, they can contact their friends, and even on online they can have the at least minimum level of entertainments if they plan.
Hope we all are familiar with the saying, if the foundation of a building is stable, the building will be more strong. In the same way, our LKG buddies are beginning their journey towards the world of knowledge. So, I'm sure that they won't be aware about school life and how it goes, they don't know. So, our teachers getting acquainted with our little buddies and how are our little buddies interacting with teachers through this virtual platform.
A very beautiful question, and the question I should very deeply I should think about that, because now parents used to come and tell children are not listening to the video, they are not acquainted with these kind of things. They have seen some videos like movies, they have seen their own in television, there are cartoon, and now they see somebody who is coming and standing and explaining alphabets, stories, all. So for them it's new only. I think 50% above children are watching. That is only because of the effort of the parents. Really we have to appreciate parents, especially in LKG, UKG and all. Parents have great role. So they see they pay fees, but for them who is paying they can expect only the thing from their children outcome. A child is doing good means they will be happy. So the half of the work is done by the parents only, but teachers are doing their level best. What they in this juncture, as I said, no, what they can do, they are doing their maximum with lot of interesting things. They play, they dance. You just imagine, people all over the world are watching these videos, and how come a person can stand in front of camera and dance and do something? It looks,
But still they are doing a great job,
but
sir.
but teachers forget all those things, and they only focus to their children. Whoever watching, no issue.
You know, I was watching Rhymes of LKG.
I am performing this to my small children whom I haven't seen. So the teacher has not seen these children. Still, the teacher taking into consideration that the child is in front of the teacher and the teacher is performing. It is something great thing. So
Really amazing.
actually what I said, no, really I mean that by saying that parents are really doing great job, and teachers are also. Let us hope for the best to come. May the Almighty bless all the children, especially the small buddies, make them happy, and once they come to school, really we can provide them all happiness.
So, sir, next question is, recording videos, editing, and posting are not that easy, and teachers are really facing this problem. And what is your comment on this statement?
Earlier it was very difficult, and now they have taken it as a challenge, because there is no other option. So teachers involved in that, they learn many things. Even they edit means there are lot of apps for that. They understand that beautifully. They themselves sit and do. They have built up a standard themselves, and they have equipped now. Any situation they will emerge. So this is what now it's going on. Of course, they in certain situation when they bring the video to me, I sometimes after fully recording they will come and show me this. So maybe sound problem will be there. So I will say, why don't you change this? Some problem is there. So they have to go and record again and come. Some teachers say this may happen to anybody. Sometimes we write something. We know that that in our brain it may be 70, but while writing we will write 40, and calculation will be going like that. And after this recording, we'll see that I wrote for, instead of 70, 40. So again I have to go and record. Like that, there are, see, even this grammar, many things which we know, but sometimes in front of camera we may go wrong. It's a normal thing. Any human being, it may happen. You see, if I am sitting somewhere and talking to you, I can talk very broadly, very freely. I will be talking much more things. But now when I think that I am in front of camera, I restrain myself. I can't talk much because my conscious mind is always behind me. Say that you beware of your words, beware of your actions, and these things will always stop the spontaneous thing of which is already existing in us. So this is happening with teachers. We have to salute them. What? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So one of the factors that made this new venture a grand success is not only the hard work of teachers. I believe that it is one of the factors, the unity among teachers. So when I was saying about unity, one of the most mesmerizing and memorable theme of our Smappy Land came to my mind. That is Hope Organization, which aims to convert our earth into a paradise.
Yes, human offering
Paradise on earth. So is hope functioning now, sir? And this crisis time, I think if hope is functioning, it will be helpful for many. So is hope functioning at this time?
Hope, actually you are the members of Hope, no? You are the students of this institution. So naturally Hope must run. Hope is like a human being. It always, its heart is beating. It's going with beating heart.
And it is celebrating the seventh anniversary.
Seventh birthday. So naturally it is functioning only. Every day we collect requests from people who are very needy, and we select. What actually we are doing, when somebody who is giving the request letter, will contact their panchayat member and find out whether this person is genuine or not. Nowadays lot of people who come with fake. So we have to identify, because this money is students, where they get money for various things. They are contributing that for this noble cause. It has to be given to the right person. So now applications are coming, we are looking into that. And how come we are able to give? That may be your question. Yes, in this pandemic situation. The teachers, they used to give for their son or daughter who is going to get married or after marriage, or some teachers, they become grandparents, and even some children who get job, their first salary they used to send to this account. In my experience, if somebody is doing good thing for a noble cause, if you are doing something, somehow it will function. It will function, no doubt. So I don't know how this money is coming. Every time, some or other way, the money will come for this purpose. So genuine people who are coming with during this these days also, we were able to give more than 1 lakh rupees for various people. Maybe it's a small amount, 1 lakh, but for a needy person, even 1 rupee is very important. As you said, it's a treasure. So this Hope Humans Offering Paradise on Earth is with beating heart. It's functioning only. It will be functioning forever.
We are glad that philanthropic activities are continuing.
So you all have to do like that. Once when you complete your studies and when you get job,
of course,
you have to contribute for Hope.
Yeah,
you have
sure.
to hold the charge of Hope.
Surely you do.
Surely will do, sir.
Sir, and nowadays, as we said earlier,
As we mentioned earlier, students are intended into mobile phones. So that is actually a basic, have become a basic necessity like food, shelter,
clothing,
as well as an addiction for them. So
we have made a new term for it. That is adicity.
Adicity.
Yes.
Addiction plus
the
Necessity.
prefix of the word addiction and the suffix of the
Word is taken from necessity.
Necessity. Okay.
So how can
adicity.
yeah adicity? So how can we take the students back from that adicity when it come to normal like normal situation?
When school reopens.
Yeah, when school reopens.
That you have to answer for that. Being children, you people know that better than me, because in your age, what you see, when once you come back to school, how you will face this? Because we are not experiencing that. We are as usual how we were using phone, the same way we are using. Teachers, we are recording classes, that's all. The rest of the things before also what we were doing, the same thing we are practicing. But as far as you people, what you will be doing, the question is for you only. You have to answer how you will manage this situation. This has become your
So do you have any suggestions to make us come back from adicity?
So you would like to know how to come back from this, no?
Like how to come on track. Like
Yeah, that is what, as I said earlier, no? Once when we understand its after effects and ill effects and its benefits, we have everything. There must be a Lakshmana Rekha, no? That limit. That Rekha you have to maintain. If you understand this much only I can do, when we cross this boundary, that will give an inverse effect. So I must not use that much. So this is somebody's common sense. When somebody doesn't have that, we have to help them by giving some advice. Still, if such people are there, there are people even after giving advice and getting lot of bad this one experience, still they will continue. And, there are certain people in the society, we can't do anything for them. We can advise them, we can make them understand, we will try our best, that's all. Now in this juncture, what we can speak, it has to happen. Children are facing this problem, no doubt. They can't spare this gadget, they have to move with this.
Of course.
So there must be a good intention. Teachers, parents, everybody should give them a good idea how much you can use. If they are continuing with this, what will happen? This pros and cons has to be explained beautifully, and every time must make them very clear. So I think children will come back to the normal system, because they are all snappy children.
Yes.
Very smart and happy children will never go behind these things. So we will give them time for all those things. They will change.
sir, actually now we miss the breath and soul of our Gurukula.
That is extracurricular activities.
Kalolsavam, fairs, work experience.
Srishti.
Srishti.
Actually, Srishti is not simply a wooden board. It shows
For
the
higher
unity.
secondary and all,
everything.
already time is over. Like for higher secondary.
Usually at this time, the results of Srishti will be coming and they will have a jovial mood to celebrate. So maybe
But
children
all
will
this-
have an anxiety. What will happen to Kalolsavam? What will be the condition? If though COVID-19 has come to an end, what will happen to all these extracurricular activities? Even some will be like planned to prepare for like this item. Okay, I can participate. I can try to get included in Kalolsavam. So do we have anything to say to them? Like they will be. This is an uncertainty. So they will have a lot of queries related to extracurricular activities, sir. So do you have anything to suggest for them?
Children will get lot of energy from this kind of so-called co-curricular activities or extracurricular activities. Without that, actually Gurukulam is not there. Gurukulam means always academics in one side of a coin, the other side is extracurricular activities.
Unavoidable for us.
It has become an inevitable part. See, children, basically why we were this much crazy or this much mad behind this. Why? Because this will give an immense exposure. children will move with different category people.
Like we were missing the song. Our dream is to fly in individual.
Yes.
It was
Children-
It
We
was
all
very
used to
awesome.
tie our hands together and sing, closing our eyes. So we feel like we are actually flying.
Yes.
That is how
It was a different experience.
Yes, those things and all. See, children are getting exposure for that. Children must get in their tender age, if they are given this much opportunity, they forget everything. They will not have any discrimination, any color, creed, religion, caste, everything, no boundaries at all. They love each other for a common goal, for a common cause. So this is embedded in them, this is engraved in them. So once when they have this inside them, when they grow up also, when they see somebody, they will not have the feeling this person is from which religion or from which region, nothing. They have the feeling of oneness. Yes, unity. So this is the basic thing why Gurukulam is insisting. Gurukulam is, people used to ask why these people are always being crazy, mad behind this. They spend lot of money and time for that.
Of course.
We spend lot of time and money for actual real education. Real education is what? That is unfoldment of the gem which is already existing in you. Unfoldment means what? Which has to come out naturally. So where do you get? In the classroom? Do you get that? No. In the ground you will get that natural experience. When you practice for together, if it is like a kolkali or an opana or something, group items, even individual sitting together for a common discussion, English club together sitting, Sanskrit club sitting together, discussions happening, and there comes an give and take.
Though individual items are performed individually by us, like it creates a great bond between our, even with our concerned teachers, with
Yes,
our
that is-
friends. Even in Edge Room, do you remember somebody?
Rightly.
Edge room was our
Favorite place. Like
Yeah.
nowadays, when
Nowadays,
I
when-
refer alone in my home, I do miss a lot. So like when we were referring together, we got so many informations between us, which even the internet can't provide. We can guarantee, because we will be referring about some other topic, and when we come in contact, of course, with our seniors, Alina, sister, Anaka, sister, like they will give us a lot of information which will be really helpful for us, each and
and
everyone.
that is
Ananya,
more
Chichi.
worthy than what we are referring from internet actually. That stays in our
Even
mind
our
forever.
friends, Akila, everybody used to give a lot of information, which now I understand that internet can't
cannot
provide. Internet is a failure in that case.
You have rightly said that, and see, the alumni, the students who have participated in these kind of activities, they have a lot of emotion with the school. See, this school is not a building.
It is beyond that.
It is. So they have a feeling, they want to come and meet all their brothers and sisters. They want to motivate them. So they find time, even if they are outside the country, they find time to come to school and motivate children. So see, children when they come to house, their parents used to say, child has gone to school first, not to their relatives, friends or area. They go to school. Why? Why? Because this bond. During this time, they are really missing these days. But one thing, don't think about any competition and all. You people can do this. It will be useful in your future. So if you are an essay writing participant, means refer and you write yourself and give it to teacher. Teacher will give you feedbacks, so that will improve your personality. Your confidence level will be much better than others. So continue what, as you were asking, no, what I would suggest to them, what advice I can give to them. I can tell them all that let them continue with what they are now. If somebody is doing mimicry, let them practice that. One who is drawing, cartoon, continue. So in every sense, these things will be useful throughout the life. You will stand alone. You will be an elite class people. Wherever you go, you will be provided a space, a unique space for you people. So let Gurukulam students all continue these activities. Don't stop even if pandemic is in the top.
We'll beat
We-
Corona with more power.
Yes, you can beat Corona with your. I was finding some suitable words to express my thoughts. What I would like to say is, these virtual videos and all these things are posted by teachers, and everything is moving on. The children at home are moving with these videos and they are studying. So after the examination, teachers were telling that children maximum have perfect. Teachers were really happy. So that shows that in this very dreadful situation, we are really happy to hear that children are moving with this situation. So one thing I want to say is, you have to maintain your health. Take food properly on time, go to sleep on time, because if you are not regular in those things, you will have mental stress and you will come across mental issues. Nobody knows that what will be, because if you have headache, you will immediately tell your parents, I have headache. So naturally you can consult a doctor, you will be moving to. But if you have any psychological issues, nobody can identify that. Everybody will think this is your arrogance. When you get angry, people will they will think that this girl is very arrogant, this boy is very ferocious. So they stamp at you. They may not be knowing what is your mental problem. So don't take away yourself into such problems. Have food, balanced diet, sleep, and don't use much time phone, and contact your teachers, friends, and be happy always. When we look at the life is always full of hurdles. So face it. Every time an hurdle comes, you just think that something big is going to happen in my life, something great is coming to me. So face it. So you will be definitely getting. So this pandemic is giving us a great message that something great change is going to happen in the human race itself. So let us all pray to the Almighty to bring back to the normal situation.
Yes.
And all my children come to the school. They will really enjoy. We'll make beautiful days, coming days, much more. We will celebrate every day.
Thank you so much, sir, for spending your valuable time with us. We hope that it would be an informative and entertaining one for all our viewers and for all our shining stars of Gurukula. So,
That's all.
Thank you.
sir.
Okay, thank you so much, both of you, coming with beautiful questions, triggering questions. I was thinking what to say, what not to say. So I think I could show justice to your questions. I think that this video will give a lot of information for our children, isn't it? So thank you for having such a beautiful idea. I hope you will come with some other videos next time.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
definitely.
right. Thank you. Bye.